In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn audio transcripts into blog posts using AI. If you're looking for a quick way to transform spoken content into engaging written material, this guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need an audio transcript. If you've already recorded a podcast, webinar, or video, you're halfway there. If you don't have a transcript yet, there are various tools out there that can automatically transcribe your audio into text. You can use transcription software or even AI-powered tools like Otter, AI, or Rev.com to get your transcript ready. Now that you have your transcript, the next step is to clean it up. Audio transcripts often contain filler words, repeated phrases, or incomplete thoughts that might not make sense in a written format. You'll want to remove these and edit it to ensure it reads smoothly. But here's where the AI magic happens. Instead of doing this manually, you can use AI software to rewrite your transcript and turn it into a cohesive, reader-friendly blog post. The AI we'll be using today does just that. It's designed to rework your transcript into a structured blog post while keeping your message intact. You'll paste the cleaned up transcript into the software, and it will generate a blog post with clear paragraphs, proper grammar, and smooth transitions. You can even add a personal touch by tweaking some parts of the post once the AI has done its job. Once your blog post is ready, make sure it flows well and stays on topic. AI does a great job, but it's still important to make sure the content is tailored to your audience. This is where you can add your unique voice or adjust the tone to suit your blog style. And don't forget SEO. You can use AI to help optimize the blog post for search engines by suggesting keywords and phrases that are relevant to your topic. This will help ensure your blog post ranks well and attracts the right readers. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're repurposing podcast episodes or video content into blog posts regularly, using AI will save you tons of time and effort. Instead of manually writing each post, you can quickly turn your audio transcripts into high-quality written content that's ready to publish in minutes. Before we wrap up, I've got something special for you. I've tried several popular software tools for turning audio transcripts into blog posts. And the one we're using today is my top recommendation. It's incredibly efficient, and the best part is that you can try it for free with an exclusive trial just for my viewers. You'll find the link in the description below, so make sure to grab that and follow along. Key takeaway: turning audio transcripts into blog posts is a simple process when you use AI. Start with a transcript, clean it up, use AI to structure the blog post, optimize for SEO, and you're done. If you follow this process, you can efficiently repurpose your audio content into blog posts that are ready to share with your audience. To recap: 1. Get your transcript. 2. Clean it up. 3. Use AI to create your blog post. 4. Fine-tune the post and optimize it for SEO. And remember, if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.